Welcome everyone to this delightful walk tour. We are about to embark on a picturesque journey from St. Mary's Parsonage to Salford via the magnificent Trinity Bridge, which is just technically in front of us. So lace up those walking shoes and let's get started. So as we set off St. Mary's Parsonage Way or off St. Mary's Parsonage Way, you will quickly notice that we are surrounded by the bustling heart of Manchester. But don't worry, because we are about to make our way to a serene oasis of nature and urban beauty. So we are on the Trinity, the stunning Trinity Bridge, and it's one of the many elegant bridges that connects Manchester to Salford, and the views from here are nothing short of breathtaking. Take a moment to appreciate the artistry that went into creating this bridge and the fantastic skyline that graces the Irwell Riverside. The riverbanks are adorned with remarkable towers that create a captivating skyline. We'll spend a little extra time here to savor this unique vantage point. So as we leave the Trinity Bridge behind, you'll find we find ourselves facing the Clement Ferrand Square. Here you'll discover an array of fantastic establishments, including the Katarina Lash's Beauty Salon or the Lowry Bar Lounge and more. The bridge, apartments, Affinity Riverside Living, and LOF MCL, which stands for Manchester. This square is truly the heart of the city. Now we descend to the riverside and continue our journey along the serene path by the Irwell River. But first of all, we're going to admire the towers or the towering landmarks on the opposite bank as we continue to grace our view, creating a juxtaposition of nature and urban architecture that is truly captivating. So we're heading to the riverbank now. Stunning views. So our next stop as we walk up the river side will be the Albert Bridge, a charming piece of architecture that allows you to soak in more of this beautiful river. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details and the historical significance of this bridge. And of course, the towers that are on our right hand side. the views from this area are truly captivating. And as we approach the Albert Bridge, which is now right in front of us, or at the end of this riverside, we will then turn towards the right hand side, where we are going to head to the Salford, or towards the direction that leads towards the Salford train station, where our delightful journey will come to an end. But before we part ways, let's reflect on the beauty and history we've witnessed today. Manchester and Salford are full of surprises, and exploring on foot offers a unique perspective that truly is priceless. So we are now approaching the train station, and thereby a conclusion to our walking tour. I hope you all enjoyed the mesmerizing views, the elegant bridges, and the harmony between nature and modern architecture. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to explore this area further in your own time. If you have any questions or want recommendations for nearby attractions, or simply wish to share your thoughts on our journey, please do not hesitate to ask. And of course, we wish you safe travels and more adventures in this enchanting region. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video so that this channel can grow and we can give more content.